So I'm trying to figure out what I'm not doing anything right now, so screw it, I'll just go up.
Well, I took off, it was dead cross, picket, and then it was coming from the right.
And then from the left, so we're like in swirling wind.
I'll just get a taxi back if you want. Thanks, buddy.
All right, taxiing out to take off.
You taking off left to right?
I'm going to take off left to right.
Thank you.
Take off left.
I'm going to fly left to right. I'm not going to deviate.
All right, taking off.
Gear up, flaps up.
How clean that is.
Low pass from the left.
Thanks. Bet that will fly trying to decide which way to fly.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Go ahead.
What's that?
I said, go ahead. I'm going to do a low pass before you go up. You can go out.
That's fine.
Feels like the wind shifted again.
Picking up. Left to right.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Go fast.
Seconds. Ten, 9,
No pass.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Low pass from the left.
Got about a half a minute now.
Okay, he's landing. Guy's landing right now.
Who is he?
No, this other guy with the old timer. I'm good if you got to come in after him.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to land, all right? He's done. Landing!
I don't know.
Coming in normal.
Yeah, I think normal way is okay. Although the wind just started blowing from that way, but.
Almost no wind.
So I'm gonna come. I'm gonna do it. Well, yeah. So you all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm on the ground.
Okay.
1 minute over.
I don't like what I just saw, so I'm gonna go the other way.
Oh, you mean my landing?
It's not you, it's the wind.
You okay, Ray? There is no wind.
I don't trust the F-5. I saw what he did. He had that weird dip. The F-5 would not do well with that. Robert, tell me when you're clear.
You're good.
Yeah, see, it just started blowing. All right, landing. See, feel that?
Yeah, not both.
got a thermal going on.
You're good now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got some pretty good.
But you see, you just see the thermal.
Yep, over there. But I'd rather clear right there. Because doing that the other way, it would have done some weird dip and been all done.
Flaps up.
Even though she's lighter, it's better now, but the F-5 will still bite you. All right, all done. Yeah, that was weird. That was a real strong thermal out of nowhere.